Today we're talking about the Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber. So now that my enzyme has sat on the skin for a few minutes, I'm going to go in with the Ultrasonic Skin Scrubber to help further infuse the enzyme into the skin. To do this, you will turn the device on and you're going to choose the pulsation mode. So here you could do low or high pulse. We're going to stick with high pulse. You're going to turn your spatula around and work on the skin in upwards and outwards motions. So you can see the penetration of the mask into the skin. And this is really going to help penetrate this mask so we have better efficacy and better results from our enzyme. Another wonderful way to incorporate the ultrasonic skin scrubber into your treatment is for mask removal of your enzyme and extractions. So for extractions and mask removal, we're going to turn the device on, and you have a low or a high steady vibrational mode. We're going to go up to high, and here you want your spatula facing upwards. And you're going to remove your enzyme in outward sweeping motions. You don't need to apply much pressure to the skin, as the device helps to shake and shimmy everything up to the surface. It's important to do this on damp or wet skin so you can see everything dancing out of the pores.